Hello and welcome. All right, it's time for this princess to get her hair washed so I can get ready to put her together for her trip to get ready to go home. Alrighty, princess, you ready? I was ready, TT. Say, clean, clean, clean my hair, TT. Clean, clean, clean my hair, TT. Get it clean. Clean, clean, clean. Get it clean. Clean, clean, clean. Clean, clean, clean my hair, TT. Clean, clean, clean my hair, TT. Get it clean. Clean, clean, clean. Get it clean. This is the Thandi kit. Say, I am the Thandi Reborn kit. I am a collectible for adults. Alright, we're going to put some, I use this Johnson's No More Tangles. Hey you, yeah you, make sure you hit that subscribe button right up under this video. Alright, back to regular scheduled programming. I just like using it. I haven't had any problems with it. So this is what I use to wash their hair before they go home. And I wash everyone's hair before I put them together and for them to go home, just so they have that, that fresh. And then I also want to make sure, even though the hair that I get, it says no dyes, just want to make sure, because they can say no dye and it has some dye. So if it does have any dye in it, it will wash out. Alright, so we got that good. And I always avoid touching the face, but sometimes it happens. But like I said, I haven't had any problems as far as it messing up the paint or anything the work that I've already done. So that's why I like to use it. Alright, girl. Clean, clean, clean my hair, TT. Clean, clean, clean my hair, TT. Get it clean. Clean, clean, clean. Get it clean. Clean, clean, clean. Clean, clean, clean my hair, TT. Clean, clean, clean. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. What do you guys got planned for today? What are you guys cooking? We had barbecue yesterday, so I will be leaving. I will be eating leftovers. So I will be leading. TT, talk right, girl. I'm trying to, girl. I will be eating leftovers. Probably a turkey leg. Turkey leg. And some corn on the cob that was on the grill. And some mixed vegetables. Yes. Alright, now we're just going to make sure all the soap is out. Alright, princess. Hold on, girl. Say yes. I got a head full of hair. Yes, you do. Alright, girl. And I'm going to twist it. Bring out as much as possible. Yeah. And I'm going to set her in here. There you go. Right there I go. Yeah. Say hello, everybody. I am the Morgan Reborn doll kit, collectible for adults. Say yes. Say hi, everybody. I was about to get my hair washed, y'all. My TT about to get me ready to go home. Yes, she is. Say yes, she is. I wash everyone's hair before I send them home. Yeah. Yeah. So I do this step before I, girl, put the Reborn doll kit together. I do that good old Johnson. I love this, y'all. It smells good. It hasn't given me any problems or anything. So that's why I like using it. Y'all know I like showing y'all what I like using. So that's what I use to wash the Reborn dolls' hair before they go home. I love it. Smells so good. Yes, it does. All right, girl. Clean, clean, clean my hair, TT. Clean, clean, clean my hair, TT. Get it clean. I am. Get it clean. I am. Clean, clean, clean my hair, TT. Clean, clean, clean my hair, TT. Get it clean. I am. Get it clean. I am. And this is how you clean my hair. And this is how you clean my hair. I'm being silly. I've been silly, y'all. Alrighty, girl. Alrighty, girl. Let me think. Let me think. Alrighty. Shit. It's clean. It's clean, TT. Alright. Get that excess hair out. I mean, not excess hair. Water. Say, hi, everybody. How you doing? All right. They just got their hair washed. They just got their hair washed. They just got their hair washed. Yes, we did. We just got our hair washed. We just got our hair washed. We just got our hair washed. Yes, we did. La 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 la. Ba da da dee dee dee. Leha, y'all. Look at her. Bow. Look at her, y'all. Bow. Yeah.